Hi, Window Tint Pros. I'm normally at the front desk, so I'm the person you'll see when you get here. Currently we're working on this 21 M5. We did a full front end package with side skirts. So right now it's going out today. We're doing our last quality check on it. So going around it, taping up any areas that need to be trimmed up, bubbling. That's what the guys are working on right now. And then we will get it wiped down and ready for delivery.
I just pulled out the M5. It's ready for the customer to pick up. Everything on here on the front end is covered with Clear Bra. Now it's all protected, and you should get it too.